Are you ready to unlock your trading potential? Welcome to Mugan Markets, the people's FX broker. With over 200 plus Forex pairs, including majors, minors, and exotics, along with crypto and spot metals, our platform offers a world of trading possibilities. Experience spreads as low as 0.1 pips and explore the exciting realm of the financial markets. Trade anytime, anywhere with our versatile trading platforms. Whether you prefer desktop, mobile, or tablet, we've got you covered. Our world-class platform is compatible with various devices, offering live social trends and real-time insights to keep you informed. If you're new to trading or want to sharpen your skills, start with our demo trading account. Practice with virtual funds and gain confidence before entering the live market. Join Mugan Markets, the trusted choice of traders. With transparency, a range of account types, and advanced trading platforms, we're here to support you at every step. Open your demo account today and take your trading to new heights. Visit the link in the description to get started. Hello traders. Welcome to my channel, AM Trading Tips. Are you on the lookout for a Forex trading system that provides accurate signals without repainting? Look no further. Allow me to introduce the non-repaint Forex trading system. It's a revolutionary indicator designed to give you easy-to-use buy, sell signals and enhance the precision of your trades. This versatile trading system works wonders on any Forex currency pair and a wide range of other assets, including stocks, commodities, cryptos, and precious metals. With the non-repaint Forex trading system, you can enjoy reliable signals across multiple markets. It seamlessly adapts to various time frames, from the speedy 1-minute chart to the more comprehensive 4-hour chart, catering to your individual trading style. So let's learn how to enter buy and sell trades using this indicator. But before we start, be sure to don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and enable all notifications, so that you don't miss on any of our new videos. So let's start now. The non-repaint Forex trading system excels in identifying and capturing strong trends, allowing you to enter the market alongside big traders. By utilizing its advanced trend analysis calculation mechanism, you can make precise entries and improve the accuracy of your trades. It is important to note that the system performs best during normal market conditions and may not be suitable for high-impact news events. Reading the signals is straightforward. The blue bullet represents the actual buy trade entry price, while the red bullet indicates the sell trade entry price. Additionally, the system offers precise take profit and stop loss levels for each signal, conveniently displayed on the chart. Recommended to take buy trade when blue bullet appear in support level and take sell trade when red bullet appear in resistance level. Now, when it comes to selecting a reputable broker, your fund's safety is of utmost importance. That's why I recommend trading with a trusted broker like Mugan Markets. By doing so, you can ensure fair and reliable services. I hope you must have understood this trading rules. If not, then it doesn't matter. We are going to take some more perfect trade setup example, so that you will definitely understand. We request you to watch the complete video so that you can get to know better how to trade with this indicator. So let's start now. Here is perfect buy trade setup as per our trading rules. Here is perfect buy trade setup as per our trading rules. Here is perfect buy trade setup as per our trading rules. Here is perfect sell trade setup as per our trading rules. Before we conclude, let's recap the essential points. Best work for any candle time frame. Best trading time European sessions and New York sessions. This indicator system can be used on all currency pair. Avoid opening new trades during high-impact news events. Use the indicators as guides and develop your own trade entry and exit strategies based on thorough analysis. Practice patience when entering and exiting the market. Never break the rules of your trading strategy. Remember, there's no guaranteed formula for success. Stay resilient during losses and remain humble when winning trades. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Until next time, happy trading.